This video is gonna show how to replace the Brine cam. First, remove the cover. Then it has two tabs, one on each side. Then you have access to the motor. These two screws need to be removed. And here is the cam. This one is the broken piece. The only thing, when the new one gets replaced, it has to align to these teeth over here. You have to make sure that they both coincide so it won't break the new one. These are the two pieces mounted together. And look, has to sit on like this. And you can put everything back. We install the two screws. And that's basically it.